Dock tower, continue runway 13, altimeter 2977. Continue runway 13, Cathay 881, heavy. Cathay 881, heavy, wind 0904 at 7. Clear to land, runway 13. Clear to land, runway 13. Cathay 881, heavy.
Two hundred. 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Dock tower, Virgin 200 heavy is 22 miles west, inbound ILS, runway 13, approach. Virgin 200 heavy, dock tower, flight right base, runway 13, altimeter 2977. Entered right base, runway 13, Virgin 200 heavy. Dock tower, Cathay 110 heavy is 9 miles west, inbound ILS, runway 13, approach. Continental 1123, contact ground on 121.6, Cathay 110 heavy.
Two hundred. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.